Welcome to my kcse revision channel, Teacher Marika Kiribol Boys High School. Kindly subscribe, click the notification bell such that you get notified once I upload a new video. Today we are looking at paper 2 questions. That is a 10 marks question, mathematics, and the question is from our topic of probability. So I have a question here that a student draws a regular tetrahedron and a die, and they recorded the outcome when they settled. So there are two things here. So we have a regular tetrahedron, and then we have a die. And then this student recorded the outcome when they settled. What you need to understand here that a die, it normally has 6 sides. So he got 6 sides, and this one it has 4. So we have 4 sides, and this one it has 6. So what is the first question? Write down the probability sample space. Write down the probability sample space for all of the possible outcomes. So here we have two things. We have a die, and then we have a tetrahedron. A tetrahedron, it has 4 sides. A die has 6 sides. So drawing a probability space is just very simple. So I have a sketch here of where we have this die. It has 6 sides. So you can have this number 1 up to 6. So we have this is 1, then we have 2, 3, 4, then we have 5, we have 6. This one represents the 6 sides of the die. And then we have a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron normally has 4 sides. So we can have 1 up to 4. So we have this is 1, then we have 2, this is 3, and then we have 4. So how do you now draw the probability sample space? So we have 1 and 1. So here we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. It can show the sides can show 1, 1, or it can show 1, 2, or it can have 1, 3, or we can have 1, 4, or it can have 1, 5, or we can have 1, 6. So the sides the top side can either show 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So on this side we can also have this one as 2, 1. We have this one as 2, 1. Then we have 2, 2. It can show 2, 2. Then it can also 2, 3. So we have 2, 3. We have 2, 4, 2, 4. We have 2, 5, 2, 5. Then we have 2, 6. We have this one as 2, 6. You can show that side. So we can also have, the tetrahedron or the die can show 3, 1. So we have 3, 1. So we have 3, 1. We have 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 3, so we have 3, 3. We have 3, 4, so we have 3, 4. 3, 5, 3, 5. Then we have 3, 6, so we have 3, 6. Another side, it can also shows 4, 4, 1, so we have, this is 4, 1. 4, 2, so we have 4, 2. We have 4, 3, so we have 4, 3. Then we have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Then finally we have 4, 6. This is as simple as that. This is the probability space for all the outcomes when this student is drawing the die and the tetrahedron. These are the possible outcomes. Just very simple as this one. This one does not give you a problem. This one is very easier, the easiest questions that you are supposed to understand. Now, Find the probability that we have this one here. Find the probability that so we have part P. We have a probability that the number appearing on the die, the number appearing on the die and the tetrahedron have a product of 1. So a product of 12. So Roman 1 we have that. So find the probability that the number appearing on the die and the tetrahedron have a product of 12. So from this sample space, what are the numbers appearing on the tetrahedron or the die that have a product of 12? Let us check on those numbers which have a product of 12. So numbers which have a product of 12, So we have a product of 12. First of all, we have 2 times 6. 2 times 6, so we have this one is giving us 12. Let us check another number. So another number we have 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is giving us 12. 3 times 4 is giving us 12. We have another 3 times 4, which is also giving us 12 here. So these are the numbers which are giving us a product of 12. So the number which gives us a product of 12, we have 2 times 2, which is 12. We have 3 times 4, which is 12. And again, we have 3 and 4, 4 and 3, which is also 12. So what are the numbers? The numbers just 1, 2, and 3. So the total outcome, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 times 4 is giving us a total sum of 24. So out of the 24, the numbers which gives us a product of a number appearing on the tetrahedron and the die which is giving us a product of 12 are just 3. So this is the probability. We have this one as it is just 3 all over 24. If you simplify, if that one is simplified, is giving us 1 all over 8. Then number 2, we have the numbers appearing on the die are the tetrahedron, which gives us a product of 8. So what are the numbers giving us a product of 8? Product of 8. So product of 8, first we have 2 times 4, which is giving us 8. So we identify this one 1. 2 times 4, where is the other number that gives us a product of 8? We have another one here. 4 times 2, which is giving us 8. So out of the 24, we have only 2 numbers appearing on the tetrahedron or a die that gives us a product of 8. So this one is equivalent to P. It is 2 all over 8. What's the probability of those numbers which are giving that? 2 over 8, and this 2 over 24. It is 2 over 24. This one can be simplified as 1 over 12. And another one, find the probability that the number on the top is at least 5. Number C, we have the probability that the number on the top is at least is at least 5. What did you understand by the number at the top or by this term at least? At least means 5 and above. So this one at least means 5 and this one it means 5 and above. So the number on the top. So we are supposed to find the probability that here from these symbols here we are supposed to find the probability that the number on the top, the number of the top of the tetrahedron, the number of the top of the die is 5, is at least 5. 5 means it can be 5 or 6 or it should be 5 and above. So what are the numbers? Let us find them. Let us have those numbers. So what are these numbers which are at least 5? So at least 5, what are these numbers? What are these numbers which are at least 5? At least 5 it means that it is just 5 and above. It is just 5 and above. Let us just have the number. So we have 1 and 4. This one is 5. 1 and 5. This one is 6. This one is 7. So we count. This is 1, 2, 3. Then we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, then we have 18. So the numbers on the top, the probability that the number on the top is at least 5, so we have 18 numbers. So this one is just a probability, so we have, this is 18 out of the total outcomes, which is 24. So this one is 3 all over, you have this one as 3 over 4. That one is now gives us 3 over 4. Then number D, we are supposed to find, we have number D, the probability that both numbers are odd. Probability that both numbers are odd. Probability that both numbers are odd. So what is the probability that both numbers are odd? Odd numbers, what are the odd numbers? So the odd numbers here we have, let us just, both the numbers are odd, 1 and 1, so we have this is 1. 1 is an odd number. Then we have 1 and 3, this one is 2. 1 and 5, so we have 3. 1 and 5, 3. Then we have 1 and 5, 3. 1 and 5, 3. Then we have 3 and 1, this is 4. Then we have 5, 3 and 3. Then we have 6, which is 3 and 5. 6. We have 6, so we have only just 6 numbers. So both numbers are just odd. It is just 6. All over in this case, 24. 6 over 24. So 6 over 24. So this is 2 here. It is just 3. This is 12, and this one is giving us 1 out of 4. That is the probability that both numbers are odd. Kindly follow my channel, click the notification bell such that you get notified once I upload a new video.